instead of saying give me, we say give me that thing. I beg, give me. We don't say give me. We don't go ahead to say give me. Give me that money. Give me my money. So instead of saying give me my money, I say give me my money. Give me my money. For my last video, I teach una basic things for Pidgin English. How to take introduce yourself and words where you go use replace English words. Pidgin words where you go take replace English words. For today's video, I go just tell una small phrases, and words for Pidgin when go benefit you. I go start by telling una say, just forget about please. If you wan learn Pidgin, no ever use your mouth say please again. Instead, make you say please, you go say I beg. And that I beg, na I beg. Also, if you wan really speak Pidgin well, everything I na ah. We dey pronounce I as ah. So I beg, which is please, I beg you, is I beg. I dey come, which is I'll be right back, I dey come, is I dey come. I no fit, that's I cannot do it. You go need to watch my former video to understand what I dey talk. It means you go talk am as I no fit, not I no fit. I no fit. If Nigerian tell you say you too much, abeg, it means that you are far too kind. You are too kind. You are too much. You too much, bro. You too much. They're trying to just hail you and tell you how nice. If Nigerian tell you say nothing spoil, they try to tell you say all is well. No shaking. No shaking. Nothing spoil. No shaking. Like there's no need to panic. There's no cause for alarm. No shaking. Nothing spoil means everything is well. If I want to tell you correct or precisely or you are right, I would say bam. G-B-A-M. Bam. Like you're hitting the nail on the head. Bam. Bam. Like final. Bam. You've said it all. Bam. If I say comot, I mean go out. Comot for here. Comot for here. Like get out. Get out. Get out from there. Comot for there. So comot means to leave or just go out. Na so means I concur. Like na so, I agree with you. You can also say na so in a sarcastic way. So you can say it in different ways. I'm going to do a video where I'm going to explain all the when we talk for Nigeria. It's amazing. It's quite interesting. So just stay tuned. What's going on means waiting they happen. Waiting they happen. What's going on? What's happening? Waiting they happen for here. Waiting they happen. If I want to ask you, what's up with you? Waiting they happen to you. Waiting they happen. Waiting they happen. Waiting they shelle. Waiting they shelle. Waiting they happen. What's happening? What's going on? What's the update? What's the latest thing? Vex definitely is an English word, but we use that for Pidgin English where we're like, no vex. Don't be vexed. Don't be mad at me. Or if I want to tell you that I'm very mad at you, I'm like, I dey vex for you, or I dey vex with you. I am angry with you. I am, and it's not with, it's with. Our TH is T. Okay, that thing no make sense. That thing is rubbish. It doesn't make any sense. So I dey vex for you, or I dey vex with you means I'm very, very angry. I'm mad at you. Our Pidgin English word of the day is how far. Is it even a word or a phrase? How far means what's up? What's up? How far? We use how far all the time. If I send you on an errand and you get back, I'm like, how far? Like, what's the update? Update me, how far? What's up? I disagree with you is I no agree. It comes from the agree there comes from the word agree. I no agree. I no go agree. I'm not going to agree with you. I no go agree. I don't agree with you is I no agree. Okay? Or I did not agree to sleep with him. I no agree sleep with him. I no agree. I did not accept. I did not agree to have sex with him. I no agree sleep with him. I no agree sleep with that man. If I tell you say God don't butter my bread, it means that my prayers has been answered, or God has favored me, I've been favored, or one miracle has happened, or I have a great testimony. It is God don't butter my bread, and or God don't sugar my tea. My tea when I was sweet before, God don't sugar my tea, God don't butter my bread. I've got good news. Immediately means now. We say it twice. I should do a video where I'm going to talk about all the words that we repeat twice, just to lay emphasis on urgency. Now means immediately, as soon as possible, ASAP. Na, bring that thing, na, or now, anyone, okay? Because Pidgin English is quite different. In different parts of Nigeria, they speak it differently, okay? Some are very, very conc and concentrated, while some are very, very basic and plain. So now, while some people that are very, very serious about it will say na. Bring her, na, come back. Bring her, na. Bring her, Where you they go? Bros? Where you they go? Where are you going? One not say me I be fine here. In case tomorrow I not wear this week. See my hair. Oh. In case you see me tomorrow, I don't cut my dada. I had locks for 7 years and I just cut it. I just got tired and I cut it. So I say make I wear wig. I'm wearing this thing for the first time in over 7 years of my life. What's it called? Na Pidgin be that. My girls, they try you. As I open the rig now, if you see the kind of breeze where it blow me, but this is fine. It just suits my color, I guess. I've changed the style. As I wear a style, your change. As I wear a style, just I love you now. I love you. Okay, there's no Pidgin to that. I'm sure that all those conk worry Pidgin people. What is I love you in Pidgin? If you know it, let me know in the comments. I love you. What will it be for Pidgin English? Instead of saying give me, we say give me that thing. I beg, give me. We don't say give me. We don't go ahead to say give me. Give me that money. Give me my money. So instead of saying give me my money, I say give me my money. Give me my money. Okay, make I no rush on her. I don't want to do too long videos. In short, this one too long safe. So make I no rush on her. Mona let me know what you wanna learn. And then if you get any Pidgin word to teach anybody right now, teach us. We go dey comment to learn. Thank you. And no subscribe. If you're not interested in Pidgin, no subscribe. But if you like Pidgin, you like cruise, this channel has a lot in store. So hit the subscribe button. I'm going to see you next time. Bye.